In today's video, we are going to show you how to change currency in Pocket Option. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. On the top right corner, you will see your account balance, which is going to be this one. I want you to click on it, and then you see there is a default currency that you might have chosen during account creation, or by default depending on your location or country. If you click on it, this will open up a new small window wherein you have the option to change your currency from selecting the drop-down menu. Right now, I am using GBP as my current currency, and if I wanted to change it to USD or any of the following currencies, you can do that easily. For example, I am going to choose USD. Just have to click the confirm option. It's super simple. Whether you prefer to view your balance in dollars, euros, or another supported currency, Pocket Option makes it easy to customize your account settings. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to change currency in Pocket Option. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.